Hello Flated Roadies, Ken Hovey with Flated, and today I'm going to show you how to properly strap down either a stand-up paddleboard or a kayak to the roof of your air topper. Now we designed these so that you can actually strap either a kayak or a stand-up paddleboard right down to the roof of it with the incorporated D-rings that are on top of the air topper. And what I want to clarify is you'll also see D-rings that are down here on the side. These are not the ones that you're going to use. You're going to use the ones that are on the top. The ones that are here are for rolling up your windows and then strapping those up. Those are not weight bearing, but the ones that are on top are. Now, once you figured that part of it out, it is very easy. You're just gonna need a set of cam straps. And for a lot of paddlers out there, especially whitewater kayakers, your kayak can get really scratched up on the bottom and can create some sharp edges. If you're in fear of having anything that you're gonna strap down up there that it has sharp edges, there is a very easy remedy. And I actually have a Paco pad. I think it's a Thermarest from like the 1970s that I have laying around, and I actually put that down first on top of my air topper, and then I put my kayak on top of that, and then I strap it down. You could use a towel, you could use a blanket, anything, if you feel that it's a really sharp object that you're gonna put up there. Now, once you have your kayak up on top, it's very quick from here. All you're gonna do is take your cam strap and go through one of the D-rings. You're gonna go all the way through, and then you're gonna take both sides of that strap and toss them over the top, and then go to the back and do the same thing. Just feed it through that top D-ring and throw it over. Then you're gonna walk around to the other side of the air topper, and you're gonna take the pigtail end of that and feed it through the D-ring, and then come back up to your cam buckle, and it feeds from the bottom up, from the opposite side of where you squeeze it. If you see squeezing it there, it comes from the bottom, and then you feed it up, and then you pull all that slack through and release the buckle. And you can also not even squeeze the buckle, you can just pull it in one direction and it can't pull back the other way. If it does pull back the other way, you have the strap fed in there incorrectly, and you wanna make sure that you do it properly. And then to release it, all you do is push the button and the strap comes out. Now, once you have that figured out, you're gonna have both straps on the front and the back go through that cam buckle, and then you're gonna cinch it down tightly. And one thing that I like to do to make sure that my kayak can't slide back is that I'll make a daisy chain in the strap so I have just enough length, and then I'll take that pigtail and I'll go through my back grab handle and tie it off. And what that makes sure of is that if I'm really going down the highway motoring and that kayak wants to slip back, that strap in the back tied off won't allow it to go any further back. So that's it, it's that easy. Strapping a kayak or a stand-up paddleboard, or even a canoe for that matter, is very easy, and your air topper will support it. Just make sure that you use the proper D-rings on top, that you're familiar with how to use a cam strap, and that you snug it down tightly. And then, as always, tap the strap and say, "That's not going anywhere." That's a sure thing. And that is for your tip jar from us at Flated.